Okay, step one. Testing the allegedly broken machine that I was told was unfixable, unusable, and would never work again. The only thing I did was turn the sponge bar the right way up and put it into the needle bed the right way. So far, I have not had a problem with anything else. So we are going to try pattern knitting, which I've never done before, so I have my lovely manual, and we shall try this. Step one, make machine go beep. Step two, which is step one in the book. Push selector 1 or 2. For this pattern, I need 1. Push the step key. Okay, I hope this is this one. Ooh, step. Can you tell I've never done this before? Pattern number lamp is lit and the display shows the former pattern number. Yes, it does. Push the clear key. And enter the pattern number you wish. Check the position of the left end needle of the center pattern. I'm not going to get too fancy here, this is just a test. Step 3, push the step key. The position lamp is lit. Yes, it is. The yellow lamp and display indicate that yellow 10, Y10 will be the left end needle for the center. Okay, so 26. Well, unfortunately, I only went from 25 to 25. Hopefully this still works. Push the step key again. Apparently we're ready. Hopefully,